Can a single drink truly be the ultimate meal replacement, packing a massive 42 grams of protein? We're diving into the EAS Original Myoplex Maximum Muscle Builder to find out if it lives up to its bold claims. This isn't just any protein. It's a carefully crafted blend designed for sustained release, meaning you get both rapid and slowly digested proteins working together to fuel muscle protein synthesis. For anyone serious about their gains, that sustained amino acid profile is a huge win. And speaking of muscle, the 8.9 grams of BCAAs per serving is a standout feature. Research consistently points to BCAAs aiding in recovery after intense workouts and potentially reducing that dreaded exercise-induced muscle damage. It feels like a thoughtful inclusion for those pushing their limits. It's positioned as a fantastic post-workout solution, with that blend of protein and carbohydrates specifically engineered to help repair and refuel your muscles. You know that feeling after a tough session when your body just screams for nutrients? This aims to be that answer. But Myoplex goes beyond just protein and carbs. It's absolutely loaded with 23 essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking fiber for digestive health, a full suite of 8 B vitamins for energy support, and antioxidant powerhouses like vitamins C and E, plus selenium, all contributing to immune support. It really tries to cover all your bases, which is impressive for a powder. The flavor we're looking at today is Cinnamon Cereal Crunch, which sounds incredibly inviting. Getting a delicious taste in a functional drink can make all the difference in consistency, and this one aims to make your nutrition enjoyable. Coming in a powder form, packaged into 20 individual servings, it offers convenience, especially for those on the go. Just mix and you're set. The 1.73 kilogram package weight suggests a substantial supply, perfect for regular use. From experimental and applied sciences, a brand known for its focus on performance nutrition, there's a certain expectation of quality and research behind their products. It's clear this product isn't just throwing ingredients together. There's a deliberate design to support muscle growth, recovery, and overall well-being. While no supplement is a magic bullet, the comprehensive profile here certainly makes a strong case for its utility in a serious fitness regimen. Overall, the EAS Original Myoplex Maximum Muscle Builder presents itself as a remarkably comprehensive meal replacement. With its high protein, BCAA content, and extensive vitamin and mineral profile, it truly aims to be a powerful ally for anyone looking to build and maintain muscle, recover effectively, and support their general health. It's a serious contender for those seeking an all-in-one nutritional powerhouse.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.